Hey, I'm gonna show you how I did passion twists on my hair. But before that, there's two mistakes I made that I want to warn you about. First, don't straighten your hair before doing passion twists because your hair will easily slip out of the passion twist. It's better if you just blow dry it so it's stretched. Second mistake is putting the rubber bands in my head so tightly. It was slightly painful to sleep, so don't put the rubber bands too tight. Besides that, let's get into how I did these beautiful twists on my beautiful hair. I've already parted my hair and have my sections and rubber bands. I put edge control on my section, grab one extension, rest it on the rubber band or a little bit above if you can, then braid it. One tip, try braiding upwards. I found that to help the passion twist stay and not slip.
Hallucinations in its fullest, off in the night I'll be falling. You're relieved cause of the distance, but I'm in deep pain.
Then split your hair in half. You want to twirl your hair with the extension, then twist. You want to do that until you don't see your hair anymore. Twirling and twisting will help your hair stay in the passion twist. And add edge control to your hair to minimize the flyaways. And the edge control I used is listed below in the description.
And it just as it started. House is a broken home, crying behind the hills. You love me, come back.
Once your hair is all twisted with the extension, you could just twist normally so you don't have to twirl the strands anymore.
You're missing in my reality. Hallucinations in its fullest, off in the night I'll be falling. Came to the
Once you're near the end, you want to put a rubber band on the end of the twist. Since the hair is so silky, this is the best way I found for the twist to not unravel.
Awards to feel like a queen. Raise glasses from a fountain. Still I deserve more. Willing to.
So I'm gonna show how I did the passion twist again. And by the way, I'm using this 22-inch curly twisting hair, and I got the color 950, and I used 4 packs on my hair. In the pack, the curls are separate, so you can grab one and just twist with it, and the hair I used is linked below.
Beg you, please come back to me. Say it to me. Come say it to me. House is a broken home, crying behind the hills. You love me, come back home. Miss morning coffee over the pills, coming down with love sickness. You're missing in my reality. Hallucinations in its fullest, off in the night I'll be falling. You're relieved cause of the distance, but I'm in deep pain. Was always on your mind, now that's slipping away, changing the narrative for others, cause I wanna feel okay. I thought we had forever, forever ended just as it started. House is a broken home, crying behind
If the twist can come out easily like this, then I'd recommend redoing it. Place the extension as close to the root of your hair as possible. Make sure that you're gripping the extension with your hair when you're braiding.
It's flawless. Off in the night I'll be falling. Came to the realization you're not the one I need. Baby, I'm too good for you. Had to wait several wars to feel like a queen. Raise glasses from a fountain. Still I deserve more. Willing to be free, but did I have to be the water you poured? I want you in broken pieces. I want you on your knees, begging, please come back to me. Say it to me, come say it to me. House is a broken home, crying behind the hills. You love me, come back home. Miss morning coffee over the pills.
Here's a closer look of me doing the passion twist.
You're missing in my reality. Hallucinations in its flawless. Off in the night I'll be falling. You're relieved because of the distance.
And you could see how I check to see if the passion twist is in place and won't slip.
On your mind, now that's slipping away, changing the narrative for others, 'cause I wanna feel okay. I thought we had forever, forever ended just as it started. House is a broken home, crying behind the hills. You love me, come back home. Miss morning coffee over the pills. Coming down with love sickness. You're missing in my reality. Hallucinations in its flawless. Off in the night I'll be falling.
Once you're all done with your passion twist, you could put mousse and wrap your hair with a satin scarf, but it's definitely optional. I literally didn't do it until a week later. This is the final look. Hope you enjoyed and gained a lot of tips. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.